To use Affirm on Best Buy, start by visiting the Best Buy website or going to a physical store location. Once you have found the item you want to purchase, proceed to checkout. When you get to the payment options, select Affirm as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Affirm website to apply for financing. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. If you are approved, you will be presented with a range of payment options, including the amount you need to pay each month and the total amount you will pay over the life of the loan. You can choose the payment plan that works best for you. Once you have selected your payment plan, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the loan. After that, your purchase will be complete and you will receive an email from Affirm with the details of your loan. It is essential to make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees. You can set up automatic payments through the Affirm website or mobile app to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Affirm on Best Buy allows you to purchase the items you need now and pay for them over time. It is a great option for those who do not want to pay the full amount up front or who need help financing their purchases. By following these steps and understanding how Affirm works, you can take advantage of this financing option and make your purchases more manageable. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your loan carefully before agreeing to them. And always make your monthly payments on time to avoid any issues.